Hi, and welcome to Amber Data. My name is Taylor, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add our ABI Uploader module to your Truffle project, then deploy that contract to Rinkeby and see the automated security audit on that contract you just deployed. So let's get started. Before we log in, I'm going to set the network to Rinkeby, since we'll be working on the Rinkeby net today. This will assume that you've already gone through our signup process and made an account. If you have not done so already, you can watch our other video or read the blog post. Shouldn't be too hard. Great. Now that we're logged in, let's head over and grab our API key. We'll need this in order to use the upload module. I'm going to hit copy to clipboard. In another video, we discuss in greater detail the process of obtaining an API key. It's pretty straightforward. You can check out that video if there's any confusion at all. Let's head over to the console. Great. So here we are at the console window. This is the Truffle Pet Shop tutorial. You might find this familiar for a number of reasons. This is the built out and complete version of the tutorial. We've used this in another one of our videos as well. For right now, we're going to install the Web3 data deploy module. What this is going to do is there's a post install script that will add a third deploy script to your migrations folder. Third in this case, if you have more migration scripts, so just add it right there to the end. Perfect. As you see, the 3_ABI_ Analytics script has been added to our migrations directory for us. So what we're going to need to do is use that API key that we just obtained to make this work. So I'm just going to copy this down here, and I'm going to paste my API key that we had copied from our clipboard. From here, we'll clear the screen. Next, I'm going to run Truffle Migrate. We're going to set the network to Rinkeby. This is going to go through the 3 scripts, in this case, in our migrations directory. This is standard for Truffle. It's going to run the initial migration script, which will deploy the migrations contract. After the migrations contract is successfully deployed to the network, as it says there, it will go on to run the second script, which will deploy our adoption contract to Rinkeby, as you see there. And finally, once the adoptions contract is successfully deployed to Rinkeby, the contract ABI will be generated for that contract, and it will be placed in the build folder. And our third script will run, which is the ABI Analytic Script that we added during the Web3 data deploy post install script. And what this will do, it will upload the fresh contract ABI to our contract service endpoint. And as you see here, a link appeared, and we're actually able to view this recently deployed and uploaded contract on our network. I'm going to hit Control, which will turn this into a link for me. Might be different in your console. We'll do this, and we'll switch over to our browser window. And there you see our recently deployed and uploaded smart contract. The security audit has already ran. If we scroll down here, we can see the source code, which isn't much, which is why we have an A+ and 0 errors or warnings. It's very difficult to get it wrong when you have only 2 functions in this case. Looks like there's an exception state that's purely informational, but it's pretty fantastic what just occurred. It was super fast. It almost seems like magic. Since this contract is smaller, that is why it appeared a lot quicker. Larger contracts could take a few seconds more, but it's that easy. I'm going to navigate over to my dashboard to just show that these contracts also appeared on the dashboard. That is because earlier on in another tutorial, I actually showed you how to add a developer wallet associated with your account. Since I deployed from the same developer wallet in this tutorial, the contracts will automatically appear on your dashboard. And there are two here. One is the migrations contract, and the other one is the adoptions contract that we were just looking at. So that's it. So we just walked you through what it looks like to add the Web3 data deploy module to your existing Truffle project. Then running Truffle Migrate as normal to deploy your contract to Rinkeby, and then have our module auto-magically upload your contract ABI to our contract service endpoint, and then view that on our platform. All right, look out for other videos about our platform, and please feel free to reach out to us through social media or email. And as always, stay awesome.